Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 2 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. In cell B16, enter a function to calculate the total attendance for the years 2023 through 2027 using the total in the range B12 to F12. So type the B16 and press enter and enter the function to calculate the total attendance for the 2023 through 2027. So type is equal to and type the sum function and range is B12 to B12 to F12 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in cell B20 enter a function to calculate the average attendance for all of the location for the year 2027 in cell B20 and press enter. So select the range and insert the average function to all location of the year in 2027. So type is equal to and insert the average function. So insert the average function. In cell B20 and enter the average function. Enter the average function for the year 2027 in cell B20 and type the average function. Type the average function and all location of the year is the 2027 year of the 2027. In cell B20, so select the B20 and paste the range F5 to F11 and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in the cell B21 insert the function to calculate the median attendance for the year. So select the B21, type is equal to and type the median function and calculate the median attendance for the year 2027. So 2027 is F5 to F11 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in cell B22 enter the function to calculate the minimum attendance for the year 2027 in cell B22. So type the B22 and minimum attendance, calculate the minimum attendance for the year 2027. So type is equal to and type the minimum function and the range is 2027 in column F5 to F11 and close bracket and press enter. Next is in cell B23 enter the function to calculate the maximum attendance for the year 2027 in cell B23. So type the B23 and press enter. Type is equal to and type the max function. Type the max function and range is 2027. Sorry, 2027 in F column, F4 to F4 to F11. So type is equal to type the max function and F4 to F11 close bracket and press enter. Type is equal to type the max function and range is F5 to F11 close bracket and press enter. Next is in cell B17 enter the function that will count the number of location the job fair was held 2027 using the value in F5 to F11. So in cell B17 and press enter and enter the function that will count the number of location the job fair was held in 2027 using the value F5 to F11. So type is equal to type the count function and count function is job fair F5 to F11, F5 to F11 and close bracket and press enter. So question number 4 is complete. So assignment is done. Please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK. So assignment submit and check the score. So check the score is in cell Excel chapter 2 and on to simulations exam is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.